Hey guys, this is Apple J, and I wanted to introduce you to the newest member of our family here at Dodd Ranch. It is the John Deere 3025E, and I'll just take you around for a little ride on it. Okay, first thing we got to do is get it out of the garage here. So I'm going to take this key and put it in the ignition. Shift into neutral. There we go. Take the parking brake off, put it into gear, and there we go. So there's the tractor right there, and there's Darcy. Hey puppy, good girl. All right, what you can see here is a 3025E. It's got 25 horsepower engine. This particular implement on the back is called a rototiller. It's 4 foot wide, and it digs up the ground really fast. On the front end is a 300E John Deere loader, and it picks up 1,100 pounds with that front end. And today's job is going to be fixing all the dirt around this basketball goal. We put the goal in for Dodd Family Weekend and hoping we can get it all cleaned up in just a few minutes. All right. Okay, Jackson's got a full load of dirt. He's carefully moving it up. No. Yeah. Jackson's getting sprayed in the face with dirt, blowing because of the wind. Here comes Darcy, she's gonna help. Okay, now our project's already done. Jackson is making his shot.
He can't hardly move. There you go.
And the dirt is all gone.
It'll be good this way from your side shots.
All right, I hope you liked our first green tractor video. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.